Today we're going to do the example from the Chem 101 homework with stoichiometry, and it says complete the balanced chemical equation for the following reaction between a weak acid and a strong base. And it is NH4 Br aqueous plus LiOH aqueous. And the reason I wanted to do this was because there is a list of different reactants where when you see it, you need to know that it is going to have gas evolved. And this list includes sulfide, carbonate, so gas evolution. It's important to memorize this chart because it'll appear a lot in reactions, and you need to know that a gas will appear in the products and you won't just have two like you normally would. And then, so it's carbonates and bicarbonates, sulfides and bisulfites, and ammonia. And this is usually, there's an intermediate, the gas evolved, and then I'll give you an example. So with sulfide, you don't have an intermediate. With carbonates and bicarbonates, you will have H2CO3. So if you see H2CO3, even though that's not carbonate, that's still carboxylic acid. So you will see a gas evolved. There's H2SO3 and NH4OH. So you don't necessarily have to just see that thing alone. And the gas evolved with sulfides are H2S. So this one will be carbon dioxide, this one will be SO2, and that one will be NH3. And an example would be, you would see something like 2HCl plus K2S goes to H2S gas plus 2KCl. And then with carbonates, an example would be, you would see 2HCl plus K2CO2 goes to H2OL plus CO2 gas plus 2KCl. This one would be 2HCl plus K2SO2 goes to H2O plus SO2 plus 2KCl. So there's the gas. And then the last one, NH4Cl plus KOH goes to H2O gas plus 2KCl. So as you guys can see, water also appears as a byproduct in a lot of them. So that's something to look out for as well, because when you make the gas, you get water in turn. So with this one, since you see an NH4Br, you know that gas is going to be evolved. So you'll get NH4Br aqueous, I'll move that up a little, plus LiOH aqueous. And it's important to remember to include the phases. Goes to NH3 gas plus LiBr aqueous plus H2O liquid. And then you make sure that it's all balanced, and in this case it is, because you have your one N, you have your 5 H's, which is there and there, you have your 1 Br, 1 Li, 1 O, and then that H from the before. So that is going to be your answer. And I hope you guys are keeping up with the Chem 101, and let me know if you need any help.